Welcome again to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is rum and raisin ice cream, my favourite type of ice cream. As normal, a full list of ingredients can be found in the description box below. Darling, why is all the rum gone?
Well, you don't drink spirits. There was a bottle of rum in the cupboard and I've made rum and raisin ice cream.
Ah, okay. But why is all the rum gone? Anyway, on with the cooking. The first thing we do is put the raisins on the chopping board and chop into small pieces. When the raisins are all chopped up, add to a small saucepan and pour over the rum. The next thing we do is turn on the heat and bring up to a simmer. This apparently evaporates the alcohol, which might stop it freezing. When the alcohol's evaporated, put into a suitable sized container and allow it to stand for at least 3 hours or preferably overnight. Then when you're ready to cook, place the cream in a suitably sized bowl and using a whisk until nice and firm. Apparently this could take some time. Back in a minute, I'm going to get a cup of coffee. And you should have something that looks like this. Next you add the condensed milk and gently fold into the cream, trying not to knock too much air out. And when the condensed milk and cream are amalgamated together, it's time to add in the rum soaked raisins, and again mix through, being careful not to knock too much air out. Then you're ready to pour the mixture into a suitably sized container and it's off to the freezer overnight. And the next day you're ready to serve. I do hope you enjoyed this recipe and give it a go. It's really tasty and easy. Feel free to subscribe, share and like, and hopefully we'll see you soon in the next one. Bye for now.